In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play video automatically. If you've ever wanted your video to start the moment a slide appears, without any extra clicks, this is exactly what you need. We'll keep it simple and clear, and by the end you'll have a slide that plays your video hands-free. First, make sure the video on your slide is selected. Click directly on the video thumbnail so you see selection handles around it. This tells your presentation software that you're working with the video itself, and it unlocks the settings that control how it behaves. If you don't see any special options appear, click the video again to confirm it's selected, not the background or another object. Next, find and click Format Options. This is typically available along the top toolbar once the video is selected, and it opens a panel of settings on the side. Think of this panel as your control center for the video's appearance and behavior. Selecting Format Options ensures you're adjusting the video's properties rather than the slide or text. Inside the Format Options panel, open the section labeled Video Playback. If it's collapsed, click to expand it. This section contains the controls that determine when and how your video begins. It's the place to tell your presentation to take over the start action for you. Now set Start Playing to automatically. You may see choices like on click or automatically. Choose automatically so that when you arrive at this slide during your presentation, the video begins on its own without any input from you. This is especially helpful for smooth transitions, timed talks, or kiosk-style displays where minimal interaction is preferred. A few quick pointers to ensure everything works the way you expect. The autoplay setting takes effect when you're presenting, not while you're editing. So during the actual presentation, as soon as this slide appears, the video will begin. If you don't see the option right away, double check that the video is selected, since these controls are context sensitive. Also, if your video is hosted online, a stable internet connection helps prevent buffering. For longer talks, consider testing your slide in advance so you can confirm the timing and audio levels feel right for your audience and environment. That's all there is to it. By selecting the video, opening Format Options, heading to Video Playback, and setting Start Playing to automatically, you've streamlined your slide and created a more polished presentation experience.